Hello everyone, myself Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to deliver the lecture of engineering drawing. So the engineering drawing, it is very important for not only mechanical engineer, each and every engineering graduate, they must undergo this particular subject in their first year. So and also it will be very common to all the engineering branches. So that's why it will be very important subject in the engineering curriculum, in our engineering curriculum. So we just want to start the introduction about the engineering drawing. Okay. Before that, so what is the purpose of engineering drawing? Why we need to study the engineering drawing subject? So if you take an example. If you are producing any one product, okay, so we just want to analyze the particular product usage and need, okay, what are all the customer feedback about the particular product which is available already in the market, okay, which is similar product. So that's why it will be called as reverse engineering, okay. So the reverse engineering, which is nothing but if you are going to produce any one product, okay, so the same and similar type of products which is already available in the market, okay, we just want to take that particular product and getting the analysis, okay. So what are all the pros and cons about the particular project? What are the things we just want to need to change in our upcoming product? Okay, so that is the thing, and also based upon the customer, how the customer satisfaction, what about the customer feedback, that is also very important thing. So based upon that only we just want to take a new product, okay. So that is a new product development. This is one of the separate department, okay. So if you are going to develop any one product, no, so in that we need to analyze what are the problems we just want to find out. So that is the thing. That is nothing but in our SNS design thinking framework. No, that is the structure. We just want to find out the empathy first. Okay, what is the need? What are the societal need for the particular product? So that is the empathy. Okay. So next one is the define. What is the problem? We just want to already find out. Based upon the problem, how we just want to define the particular product. How to fix the problem, okay? So that is the defined idea based on product need. So we just want to ideate the solution. So that is the thing. So these are all the design thinking framework, okay? And also after that only we just want to take a prototype, okay? The last one is the testing and prototype. So these are all the design thinking framework. Based upon that, so in the prototype, in that particular area, so the particular subject need is very important. So prototype, we already know that we just want to design the layout, the prototype model of the particular product. So for that we need to know about the particular product model in a miniature model. So that is the thing, we just want to know that. So for that we just want to create a pattern, or we just want to design the particular product in a A4 sheet or like that. So by nowadays a lot of technological development, the various types of software we are using, okay. So by using those software, we can create the model of any product, okay. So if I take an example in mechanical engineering, okay, if you are going to produce any type of gear, so we just want to create the gear nomenclature first. Based upon that, we just want to create the design of the gear. So design is very important thing. For the design, in the design criteria, so in a particular design model, so the engineering drawing is very important, plays a major role. Okay, if you are creating a not only product, okay, so the engineering drawing application, the vast number of applications is available. Okay, not only the product manufacturing, it is also apply for civil engineering, building structure also we are using engineering drawing. We just want to create a model, layout of the building, it is also by using an engineering drawing. So that is a design. So wherever we are using a design, so in those types of situations we must be just using a engineering drawing circle. Okay, so we just want to think that is a simple thing. Okay, for the design, what are the things we just want to use? Okay, what